how to turn off in-app sounds. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to turn off in-app sounds. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Facebook Messenger, click on your profile, scroll down and click on notifications and sounds. Now click on in-app sounds and make sure to turn off this option. And this is it. You can choose whatever you want, if you want to turn off or on this option. And this is it. So this is it guys. Hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.